So, today we will learn a zygomorphic flower. So, a flower which has only one line of symmetry, that is, when a flower can be cut into two similar halves only in one particular vertical plane, is said to be a zygomorphic flower. Its symmetry is bilateral symmetry. मीन्स जब एक फ्लावर को हम एक वर्टिकल प्लेन में कट करें तभी केवल ये दो सिमिलर हाफ्स में टूटे या डिवाइड किया जा सके, तो इस फ्लावर को हम बोलेंगे ज़ाइगोमॉर्फिक फ्लावर या फिर अ फ्लावर विच इज हैविंग bilateral symmetry. Now we will take the examples. Examples are Cassia, Gulmohar, bean and pea. Cassia, Gulmohar, bean and pea are the examples of a zygomorphic flower. Now, if we cut this cassia flower into two halves in this particular plane, it cannot be divided into two equal or similar parts. So, the plane only could be a vertical plane in which we cut a flower and it is divided into two equal halves, then such flower is called a zygomorphic flower. Same is the case with गुलमोहर. गुलमोहर को भी जब हम इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेन से काटेंगे तो ये दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा. हम इस प्लेन से काटते हैं तो भी ये दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड नहीं होता है. बट व्हेन वी कट इट इन अ वर्टिकल प्लेन, it can be divided into two equal and similar parts. So this vertical plane से कट करने के बाद जब एक फ्लावर दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाए equally and similarly, such flower is called a zygomorphic flower. We can go on further examples. Bean is one such more example where we cut a flower in a vertical plane only, then it could be divided into two similar parts. And the fourth example is of pea flower, sweet pea. If this flower can be cut in this particular plane only, then only it is divided into two similar halves. No other plane can divide this flower into two similar halves. So such flowers are called as zygomorphic flowers. Stay tuned to Biosphere.